are going to sing what it sounds like. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worth of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. The light all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces. I can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. Stop this song. We're shattering in silence. We're right, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dream is I'm fighting. No lying. I'm tired. But dive in the fire. And I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the color stuck inside our heads? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light inside. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless in the fight, this is what it sounds like. So after all this time, this is what it sounds like.
Good job.
Fearless in the fight, this is what it sounds like. Soon after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.
Good job.